After testing 12 beach wagons across various terrains and conditions this summer season, I've identified the 5 carts that excel at hauling beach gear. Our testing process, which includes sand mobility trials, weight capacity challenges, and durability assessments in saltwater environments, has revealed which models stand out. Each wagon has unique features, so check out the full list to see which one suits your beach needs. You'll find all the links with the latest prices in the description. Number 5. Navatiee Collapsible Wagon Cart. Imagine this. You're off to the beach, juggling towels, snacks, and perhaps a cooler. The Navatiee Collapsible Wagon Cart is designed to simplify this scenario. Built with a high-strength steel frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric, this wagon can carry a substantial amount of your beach essentials, like other heavy-duty wagons, but with a focus on portability. One standout feature is its all-terrain wheels. These 4 PVC wheels are designed to handle hard sand, grass, and other tough surfaces. They provide abrasion resistance and silent shock absorption, ensuring a smooth ride. Note that while the wheels perform well on firmer ground, they may struggle on softer beach sand, a common limitation in many collapsible wagons. Now consider convenience. The wagon's collapsible design is a real advantage. It folds flat in seconds, without any tools, making it easy to store in your car trunk or closet, faster than some bulkier models. Plus, the built-in handle makes carrying it a breeze. This feature is ideal for those spontaneous trips where space is limited. Additionally, safety is important with the Navatiee wagon. The front wheels feature a locking brake design, preventing any unwanted rolling on slopes or uneven surfaces. This thoughtful addition provides peace of mind, especially when you're multitasking, a feature often absent in simpler wagon designs. Also, the smart storage options. The side pocket and 2 mesh cup holders make it more practical. Whether you're storing an umbrella or securing your drinks, these features enhance your outdoor experience. The ergonomic handle also makes sure that pulling and hauling are as comfortable as possible, better for longer distances than wagons with fixed handles. While the wagon's performance on soft sand might be a minor hiccup, its overall build quality and versatility stand out. The key advantage is its robust construction, making it perfect for a variety of uses, from beach trips to gardening. For those looking for a reliable and convenient way to transport your gear, the Navatiee Collapsible Wagon Cart is worth considering. Find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. If hauling heavy items across the beach or a busy park is a struggle, this wagon might just become your preferred solution. Its key advantage is its collapsible build, shrinking to a manageable 22 inches by 9.8 inches by 7.5 inches. This ensures effortless storage in your car or closet, and at only 12 pounds, it's easy to carry, even lighter than some comparable models. A noteworthy feature is the Rosong wagon's 360-degree rotating front wheels, combined with an easy grip extendable handle, promising fluid and easy steering. The robust steel frame and resilient 600D Oxford fabric mean it's ready for substantial weight, ideal for groceries, sporting goods, or beach essentials. Furthermore, the wear-resistant PU wheels are built to conquer diverse landscapes, so whether it's sand, grass, or pavement, this wagon has you set. Its portability and easy storage are often celebrated, making it great for apartment residents or those short on space. Its toughness is another plus, with many users impressed by its weight capacity without sacrificing steadiness. The user-friendliness is also a major benefit, with the wagon being quick to set up, control, and fold, quicker than some larger models. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users feel the handle could use more length, as it sometimes hits their heels, creating an awkward pulling motion. Interestingly, while the fixed rear wheels might make the wagon drift a bit, this design choice actually offers enhanced stability on rough ground. The core strength of the Rosong wagon is its adaptability. Be it a trip to the beach, a camping adventure, or simply needing a dependable way to move groceries, this wagon eases your load and reduces effort. Its blend of portability, resilience, and ease of operation makes it a useful asset for anyone needing a convenient transport option. Product details are available through the link in the description. Number 3. MacSports Heavy-Duty Beach Wagon. If hauling beach gear feels like a chore, this wagon could be the solution. Thanks to its collapsible frame, it shrinks to just 9.7 inches thick, simplifying storage in your car or garage. The interior, a generous 31.8 inches long by 21.5 inches wide and 17 inches high, offers plenty of space for towels, coolers, and even a beach umbrella. As for its construction, the sturdy frame lets you load it with confidence without worrying about wear and tear. The resilient 600D fabric is not only durable, but also easy to clean, a real plus after a day in the sand. The extra-large wheels work well on various terrains, especially sand, though very soft sand can pose a challenge, as with most wagons. The Wagon's design focuses on user-friendliness. It sets up in seconds without needing any tools, quicker than some competitors. And the adjustable handle ensures a comfortable grip for users of all heights. The two mesh cup holders keep drinks secure. It's not without its downsides. Some might find the Wagon a bit heavy when lifting, similar to other heavy-duty options. While it folds down, the large wheels still take up some room. Some users have noted that the Wagon can tip if not loaded correctly, so it's best to place heavier items towards the back. Be careful. Even with these small issues, the MacSports heavy-duty beach wagon is notable for its adaptability. Whether it's the beach, a park, or a sports event, it's a dependable companion. Its robust construction and large capacity make it ideal for families or anyone carrying a lot, better suited for bigger loads than smaller wagons. The main benefit is how it saves you time and energy, especially on those extended beach outings. Think about effortlessly pulling all your gear across the sand without any strain. If you often transport items to outdoor locations, this wagon is worth considering. Its durability and simple design make it a top pick for simplifying your outdoor experiences. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 2. Collapsible beach wagon with big wheels. Picture arriving at the beach, struggling with armfuls of towels, snacks, and toys, wishing you had an extra pair of hands. This wagon is your answer, designed to simplify your trips. Its generous capacity allows it to haul everything from beach umbrellas to coolers in a single go, similar to other high-capacity wagons. An important aspect is its strong metal frame, which can bear a considerable load, letting you pack it fully without worry, like the MacSports wagon. It also handles well. Getting around on sandy beaches or grassy parks is easy because of its all-terrain wheels. These wheels, along with a front that rotates 360 degrees, ensure smooth and straightforward handling, even on rough ground, like the Rosong wagon. The adjustable handle is a nice feature, fitting users of different heights and ensuring comfort as you pull your load. The handle also stays upright, ready for you to grab. There's more though. A particularly useful feature is how it folds up. When you're done, it folds down compactly, fitting easily into your car trunk or closet, quicker than some larger models. And the removable and washable fabric means spills and sand are easily dealt with. Just clean it and it's ready for your next day out. Some users have mentioned a concern though. The wagon can feel a bit weighty when folded, which could be a problem if you're carrying it a long way, like some other heavy-duty options. There have also been some comments about the wheels not being as durable as some would like. Still, the wagon's overall strength and adaptability often outweigh these issues. The main benefit here is its ability to manage significant weight across different surfaces, making it ideal for beach days, camping, or even working in the garden. Its adaptability is a great advantage, as it meets any challenge. If you want a dependable helper for your outdoor activities, this wagon is worth considering. The ease and toughness of this wagon make it a solid choice for those who often need to move a lot of gear. Whether you like the beach, go camping, or just need some help with groceries, this wagon delivers on its promise of making things easier and more efficient. You can see all the product details through the link in the description. Number 1. WAGONS Collapsible Heavy-Duty Beach Wagon. Imagine preparing for the beach, weighed down by towels, snacks, and maybe a beach chair or two. The WAGONS Beach Wagon acts as your reliable assistant, able to haul up to 220 pounds of necessities without strain. Its strong steel frame and 600D Oxford fabric ensure resilience, making it a dependable partner for many trips like the Navatiee wagon. An important feature is how easily it folds. If you've struggled with fitting large items in your car, you'll love how this wagon folds compactly, held by pull tabs and a strap. Storing it is simple, whether in your trunk or a closet. The wide PVC wheels are designed to handle different grounds, from rough trails to grassy areas, with locking front wheels to stop unwanted movement on hills. However, it presents some challenges. In soft sand, you might find that moving it needs more force. Some users have mentioned the wagon can be hard to manage on softer grounds, especially when packed full. However, once you get to firmer ground, its steadiness and handling become apparent, making it easy to operate. The flexible handle with a rebound function is another smart addition, keeping it upright and ready for use. Also, the small pockets and expandable sides are useful for keeping smaller items or fitting bigger gear like folding chairs, better for organizing smaller items than some basic wagons. Its adaptability makes it special. Whether you're going to the beach, camping, or even doing garden work, the WAGONS wagon adapts to your needs. Picture easily moving groceries or carrying garden tools, while knowing your items are safe and well organized. If you value toughness and capacity, this wagon is a good choice. Its durable build and large space make it popular among outdoor lovers. If you need a reliable way to move your gear across different terrains, the WAGONS Collapsible Heavy-Duty Beach Wagon deserves your attention. You can find all the product details through the link in the description.